Top 5 Best Portable Inverter Generator in 2025. Hi guys! Are you looking for the best portable inverter generator? If you received a new portable inverter generator, then you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to review the top 5 best portable inverter generators on the market. You'll get to see all of them and select the best one based on personal preferences, reading reviews, and orders. Number 1. The WEN 56477i 4800 watt portable inverter generator is a versatile and efficient power source that meets the needs of modern lifestyles. It offers high output power, up to 4800 watts, making it ideal for running sensitive electronics like laptops, smartphones, and tablets. The generator's advanced inverter technology ensures optimized fuel consumption, offering longer runtimes without compromising performance. It operates at a reduced noise level, making it suitable for residential. Number 2. The Champion's Power Equipment 4500 watt dual-fuel portable inverter generator is a versatile and efficient power solution for outdoor adventures and emergency situations. It operates on either gasoline or propane, providing 4500 watts of clean, stable power suitable for electronics and essential appliances. The generator features an electric start, a 120V RV outlet for direct hookup, and quiet technology for noise-sensitive environments. Its user-friendly design includes an intuitive co. Number 3. The 563609 3600 watt portable inverter generator is a reliable, efficient, and quiet power source ideal for outdoor activities, RV use, and emergency backup. It delivers 3600 watts of clean energy, making it suitable for running electronics and essential appliances. The generator is compact and lightweight, with advanced inverter technology ensuring optimized fuel consumption and extended runtimes. It operates at reduced noise levels, making it suitable for both residential and outdoor. Number 4. The 563609 3600 watt portable inverter generator from XMSJ is a versatile and dependable power solution that delivers 3600 watts of clean, stable power for various applications. Its compact and lightweight design allows for easy transportation, and its advanced inverter technology ensures low fuel consumption and longer runtimes. Engineered in the USA with high-quality materials, it is eco-friendly and meets strict emission standards. The user-friendly control panel features multiple. Number 5. The G2319N2 300W portable gas-powered quiet inverter generator is a compact and versatile power solution suitable for outdoor enthusiasts, RV travelers, and emergency preparedness. It delivers reliable power output, quiet operation, and is lightweight for easy transport and storage. It features a USB outlet for charging small electronic devices, parallel capability, and advanced inverter technology for low fuel consumption. The generator is CARB compliant and built in the USA by XMSJ. Thanks for watching the video.